Okay, this is help for probability of mutually inclusive events, meaning that they are not mutually exclusive. There's some kind of overlap with the two events. So our S here stands for owning a skateboard. R stands for owning rollerblades. And in this sample, we had 9 plus 39 plus 3 plus 49 people. If you add those all together, it's a total of 100 people that were surveyed. And this represents the entire sample space of everyone surveyed. So 9 people only owned a skateboard. 39 people owned both a skateboard and rollerblades. 3 people owned only rollerblades, and 49 people owned neither skateboard or rollerblades. So when they're asking you to find the probability of owning a skateboard or owning rollerblades, we know we're interested in anyone that owns either one. So we're interested in anything inside these circles. So the setup that we saw is using the idea of finding this equation for any circumstance of inclusive events. So there's a formula for this. This is, in words, the probability of S union R, okay? And we know that for any two events, the probability of S union R is equal to the probability of the first event, or the probability of owning a skateboard, plus the probability of owning rollerblades, minus their intersection. Or we can think of this as and rollerblades. So we can understand this in a basic sense. Let's look at it for a second. So we know that 9 plus 39 is the number of people that would own a skateboard, or 48 people own a skateboard. And we know that 39 plus 3, or 42 people, own a rollerblade. Now if I just added the 48 and the 42 together, we have an overlap happening here. These 39 people got 2 votes rather than just 1. So what this formula is doing for us is taking that 48, taking the 42, and subtracting the overlap. It's getting rid of what was counted twice. And that's what we would get here. When this one's all said and done, we should get 51 out of 100. If you want to look at it from the Venn diagram perspective, if we're looking for S or R, we're looking for anything inside the circles. We can check ourselves. We can add the 9 plus the 39 plus the 3, and we're still going to get 51 out of 100. So notice we're just using the formula of S union R, or S or R. That probability is equal to the probability of S plus the probability of R minus the probability of S and R. We're just getting rid of the overlap. Okay? I hope this helps.